Hello, everyone. My name is Jerry Salguero, and as you know, I am part of the IT team here at Tatos Incorporated. We're looking into upgrading the OS system we currently use. Upgrading a corporate network infrastructure is a complex process that requires thorough planning to ensure minimal downtime and optimal efficiency. In this presentation, we will explore the scenario of Tatos Incorporated. We will discuss and provide a detailed plan for upgrading Tatos Incorporated's operating system. Microsoft Windows 10 is a widely used operating system in many companies. While it has many benefits, it can also create some company issues. Some include compatibility with older software, security concerns, and potential system crashes and bugs. If a company experiencing any of these issues with Windows 10, they may consider replacing the operating system with an alternative. Two free operating systems options that were considered are Ubuntu and Chrome operating system. Ubuntu is a open source operating system that is used on desktops and laptops and supports a wide range of tasks, while Chrome operating system is a proprietary operating system developed by Google and primarily designed to work with their web-based applications on Chromebook laptops. Ubuntu supports a wider range of software and hardware configurations, while Chrome OS is limited in both aspects. When it comes to selecting an operating system for an organization, there are various factors to consider. One of the primary considerations is the cost of the operating system, as it can significantly impact the organization's finances. While Windows 11 is a popular choice for many organizations, there are free OS options available that can equally be effective. Let's discuss the pros and cons of using a free OS compared to Windows 11. The pros are the cost. Most significant advantage of using a free operating system is that it's free. You don't need to pay any licensing fees, which can save a lot of money for the organization. It's also customizable. Free operating systems are usually open source, meaning users can modify the code and customize it to fit their needs. This level customization can be an advantage for organizations that require a specific set of features or functions. The cons of using a free OS is technical support. Free operating systems don't have the same level of technical support as the commercial operating systems. Therefore, organizations may need to rely on community support or in-house IT teams to resolve any issues. Also, compatibility. Some applications or hardware may not be compatible with free operating systems, which can be a significant drawback for organizations that rely on specific software or hardware. The operating system that I have chosen for Tatos Incorporated is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a popular open source operating system that is widely used in the corporate world. It offers several advantages over traditional operating systems in the terms of cost savings, productivity, and ease of use and administration by IT staff. One of the biggest advantages of using Ubuntu is the cost savings. Since Ubuntu is an open source operating system, there are no licensing costs involved. This means that Tatos Incorporated can save a significant amount of money that would otherwise be spent on licensing fees. Another advantage of using Ubuntu is its productivity. Ubuntu is a very stable and reliable operating system, which means that employees can work efficiently without worrying system crashes or other technical issues. Additionally, Ubuntu comes with a wide range of built-in productivity tools. Ubuntu is also very easy to use. Its graphical user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, which means that employees can quickly get up to speed with the new operating system. Ubuntu is very customizable, which means that the IT staff can easily configure the system to meet the specific organization needs. Ubuntu is very easy to administer. Since it is an open source operating system, there is a large community of developers and users who contribute to its development and maintenance. This means that IT staff can easily find help and support when they need it. Ubuntu is a powerful and versatile operating system that offers several advantages over traditional operating systems in terms of cost savings, productivity, ease of use, and administration. While there may be some challenges associated with adopting Ubuntu. These can be addressed through careful planning and execution of a system update strategy. I believe that Ubuntu is the best choice for Tatos Incorporated. Corporate desktop and applications. We have designed a corporate desktop and included at least 5 applications relevant to Tatos Incorporated's role. The desktop is designed with a minimalist approach to reduce clutter and improve productivity. The applications include LibreOffice Suite for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. LibreOffice is a powerful office suite that includes applications for word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. It comes compatible with Microsoft Office, which means that employees can easily share documents with colleagues who are using Microsoft Office. GIMP for image editing and manipulation. Thunderbird for email and calendar management. Firefox for browsing the web. Firefox is a fast and secure web browser that is widely used in a corporate world. It includes several features that are designed to enhance productivity, including tab grouping and customizable shortcuts. VLC Media Player for playing media files. Integration with Windows Server environment. Ubuntu OS can easily integrate with Windows Server environment and file servers for the organization. We have tested the integration and found it to be seamless. The Ubuntu OS can access the shared folders on the Windows Server, and users can access files and folders without any issues. Defining an upgrade strategy. In this part, we will devise an upgrade timeline for Ubuntu OS that should be adopted for addresses in the following issues. OS hardware and application testing. We will test Ubuntu OS on different hardware configurations to ensure compatibility and performance. We will also test various applications to ensure that they work correctly on Ubuntu. Communications and training needs. We will communicate the upgrade plan to stakeholders and provide training to the users on how the Ubuntu OS is to be used. We will also provide a user manual that will guide them on how to perform common tasks. Now, let me demonstrate how Ubuntu works using my live VM demo. As you can see, Ubuntu has a clean, modern interface that is easy to navigate. I have installed several applications that are commonly used in Tatos Incorporated, including LibreOffice, GIMP, Thunderbird, and VLC Media Player. Firefox was already in built-in application. Let me demonstrate how some of these features of these applications work. Here is GIMP, and it can be used to edit or manipulate images for like a marketing team or a sales team. There's also a VLC player and Thunderbird for emails. Looks like Jane Tatos is already drafting an email for a quote that needs to be sent out, and it could be modified with images and text, stationaries, signatures, just like your regular Microsoft applications would work. Firefox is the built-in browser in Ubuntu that we have chose to keep since we find it's very useful and a powerful option. Now to return and talk about our phased rollout strategy. To devise an upgrade timeline for the chosen operating system, we need to consider various factors, such as an operating system, hardware and application testing, communications and training needs, and a phased out strategy. Here is the proposed upgrade timeline for the chosen operating system. Number 1, operating system hardware and application testing. To ensure that the new operating system works seamlessly with the hardware applications used by the organization, we need to conduct thorough testing. The testing phase will include the following steps. Number 1, include the new operating system on the test machine to check compatibility with hardware and software applications used by the organization. Second, test critical applications used by different departments to ensure that they work as expected. Third, Once the testing phase is complete, create an image of the new operating system with all the necessary configurations and applications. The second part of the phase would be communications and training needs. It's essential to communicate the upcoming change to all employees and provide them with the necessary training to ensure a smooth transition. The communication and training phase will include the following steps. Inform all employees about the upcoming change in advance and explain the benefits of the new operating system. Provide training to employees and the new operating system include how to use the features and applications. And lastly, create a knowledge base of FAQ document for employees to refer to if they face any issues during the transition. The last part of the phase will be the phased rollout strategy. We will adopt a phased rollout strategy to minimize disruption of the business. We will start with a pilot group and gradually roll out the upgrade to other departments. The timeline is as follows: hardware and application testing is 2 weeks, communications and training 2 weeks, pilot group rollout 4 weeks, departmental rollouts around 8 weeks. To minimize the disruption, we will need to adopt a phased out rollout strategy that allows us to test the new operating system in a controlled environment before rolling it out to all employees. It will roll out in small groups of employees in each department and gather feedback on any issues faced. Once the feedback has been addressed, roll out of the new operating system to the entire department. Monitor the performance of the new operating system and address any issues before rolling it out to the next department. Finally, roll out the new operating system to all employees in the organization. Overall, the proposed upgrade timeline of the chosen operating system will take around 6 months to complete. We believe that this timeline will allow us to test the new operating system thoroughly, provide adequate training to employees, and minimize disruption during the rollout phase. In conclusion, upgrading Tatos Incorporated Corporate's OS is a significant undertaking that requires careful planning and execution. We have chosen Ubuntu operating system as an alternative and have provided a detailed plan for this adoption. The phased rollout strategy will ensure minimal disruption to the business, and the training provided will help users to make a smooth transition. We are confident that Ubuntu will provide a reliable and cost-effective alternative to Tatos Incorporated. Thank you for your time, and further information will come soon. Have a good day.